So guys, as a Jamaican, this is the patty that I enjoy the most since I come here. It's the Jamaican style patties. My first time buying the curry one, I usually buy the cheese, beef flavor, but I've decided to change today. So if you're there abroad and you want patty, you can try this one. I enjoyed. I normally warm mine 3 minutes in the microwave. It says 2 minutes, but I go over because I want it to get crispy. So when I go over the 2 minutes, that's when I realize it more firm. So that's what I do. So I just wanted to show you guys. Oh, the curry one nice. Oh Lord, I just wanted to show you guys so you can go ahead and try it. But it's good because when I go Jamaica, I don't even feel for patty, just because I normally eat them here. So I guess something I go and feed. All right, bye.